Hey my friends, it's Angie from The Road to Simple, and it's been a while since I've been with you on calendar planning. So I have 3 layouts that are already completed that I want to share with you today. So here is the first one. It's a pre-Easter layout since we're a week ahead of Easter. But I wanted to use these stickers. As you can see, they're clear stickers. I'm sure they're shining a little bit on the video. But my friend gave me a package from Grabie. I don't know if you're familiar with Grabie, but there were just tons and tons of stickers and other things to decorate for springtime, Easter time. So I wanted to use these, just a few of these, and then I just went in with markers. Tried to look for my markers that were the same colors of what were in these images, which are kind of pastel. And I think it turned out for a really cute, simple spread. So I'm going to put my top 3 priorities for the week here. I'll fill in all my tasks for my Road to Simple YouTube page and website. I like to always have a family block to remember people that I need to get in touch with this week, follow up with on different things, a shopping list, a to-do list, home focus block for an area that I choose a certain zone of my house to focus on each week. A self-care block, I think that's always important for you to include something good for you, because we fill our calendars with so many to-dos that we've got to stop and take care of ourselves as well. So I have an area there for my self-care and a gratitude list. I like to do that. That's a really neat practice that I started doing when I started calendar planning this way. And it really makes you stop and think about things that you're thankful for. So I would certainly encourage you to do that. This is my most recent one that I'm going to fill in for this week. Now, I also did this one that I think is really cute. This is going back to the last week of March. I've been really busy with some things lately, and I just didn't get a chance to fill this out. I was working on other videos and different things and just didn't get to it. I wanted to show it to you here before I filled it out, and that took me a little while to get to the point where I could sit down to film a video for this. So I wanted to show this to you. My plan here was to put my top 3. I like to kind of put my top 3 things for the week here, the most important priorities. This I was going to label with my Road to Simple section and fill in here. And each of these flags I thought I would use for a different category, like shopping or to-do or home focus and self-care. That's what these were going to be. And I like this so much that I am going to white out these dates and use this another week because I love this layout. So I didn't get a chance to use it for the week that I intended, but I am going to use it later. So that's a tip for you as well. And then let's see. This one was just something very, very simple that I put together. Sometimes we have those weeks that we're just really busy or we're out of town and we're not necessarily planning like we normally do. For the week of St. Patrick's Day, I was in Illinois visiting family that week. So my intention was to kind of make this a log of everything that we did. And I'm going to go back in and fill this out. So this will be like a memory page for me. I just wanted to throw some stickers down that were seasonal, St. Patrick's Day, springtime. And I just left a lot of room so that I can journal here. I can write down all the different fun things that I did with my mom and dad and my sisters and other family members. So it'll be a neat way to remember what I did. These stickers came from my Happy Planner seasonal book. And this is the Happy in Paris from Happy Planner. And again, these were the Grabie stickers from the Grabie box, which I thought was really fun, and I've got a lot more of these to use. So let me know which one is your favorite. Drop me a comment. Let me know which one is your favorite. And also leave me a thumbs up if you like any of these videos. That helps me to grow my channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I certainly invite you to do that. I make videos about calendar planning and also about decluttering. Lots and lots of videos about simplifying and decluttering. So please join me on my channel for that. All you have to do is click on my picture right here to subscribe. And then I'm going to leave a link here to some more planner ideas for you so that you can watch that playlist and get more fun ideas. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.